Now children, today let's start with chapter number 5. Now children, today let's start with chapter number 15. Some people never die. There are many people, those who never die, they always live in our history. Some people are born only for the well-being and others. Right? Never think for themselves. They sacrifice their all comforts and luxury for the other person. They do not wish anything in return. They know only to give, not to take in return. Such people pass away, but they even remain alive in the hearts of the people. Right, we have Abraham Lincoln, 1809 to 1865. He was born in poor family of America in 1809. He could not get formal education due to poverty. But he was educated by his mother at home and he became a lawyer and he can work. He was a honest man and become popular as Honest Abe. He was elected as the president of USA in 1860. He fought against slavery, which was very common in those days, especially in the southern states of America. People bought men, women, and chains who were brought from Africa to work in their field. They were treated brutally. People in North states were against the slavery. Difference in opinion, it resulted into civil war. किसके बीच में? आपके नॉर्दर्न स्टेट और सदर्न स्टेट के. लिंकन ने क्या करा? He won the civil war, and what they did, they maintained unity to the. Some people were against this policy. बहुत लोग against थे, but on one night 1860, while watching the play at theater with his family, Lincoln was shot dead. The death was mourned, and Lincoln became immortal. Next is Mahatma Gandhi, 1869 to 1948. He was born at Porbandar on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. Full name was Mohan Chand Karamchand Gandhi. His birthday is celebrated at Kanizar. Gandhiji got primary education in Porbandar and went to England to higher study. He studied law in England and he became barrister. He started practice in Mumbai High Court. At some time he went to South Africa and he saw discrimination. उन्होंने देखा कि discrimination हो रहा है against dark skinned people by the whites. So he started fighting peaceful battle for this inequality. He believes that all human are equal and had right to live in dignity. He asked people to fight peacefully against the British rule. He preached non-violence. Bill Rice पूरा नहीं करना, non-violence, non-cooperation से. He returned to India in 1950 and he was shocked to see the condition of the people. कि लोगों की क्या condition. So he called Quit India movement. It was again a war without violence. Used British products were banned. लेकिन उनमें क्या करा हमने, जो British use product था उनको ban करा, and it was difficult for the British to rule, and British had to expect moral defeat, and what he given independence to India on 15th August 1947. Some of the Mahatma Gandhi views were not acceptable to the section of people. They thought it was favoring Muslims and it was responsible for the creation of Pakistan. Right? Mahatma Gandhi has served his country and mankind all his life. He remembered all over the world was of the greatest leader of modern time, Paul Markle. He remembered him as Bapu, father of this. Karl Marx, 1880 to 1833. You have read about industrial revolution and mass production. The factory owners grew richer, but workers were paid near wages. Soviet Union was divided into two classes, capitalist or rich people. Right? Capitalists were concerned only with their own profit. They did not take care of the workers. वो कोई workers की care नहीं रखते थे, अपना profit देखते थे. Right? And during this period, Karl Marx come forward in support of workers and was born in Germany in 1880, which is a rich family. He and his friend Friedrich Engels advised workers to unite the fighters, and Karl Marx came up with the idea that a worker should have a share in the ownership and profit of the factory. इन्होंने एक famous book लिखी, that is Communist Manifesto, which was written by Karl Marx, also written at Das Kapital, right? And Germany, France, and Belgium were upset with the ideas. Karl Marx left Germany, and where do he went? He went to now Vladimir Lenin. It was followed the ideas of Karl Marx, and he had a communist revolution in Russia. In those days, Russia was led by Khazars, which were cruel and they were ill-treated people, and people of Russia were much against the Khazars. Now Rabindranath Tagore. He was a great poet, writer, musician, and philosopher. कब born हुए थे? 1861, Kolkata. Right? His parents is Rabindranath Tagore and Sharda Devi. Young Tagore was popularly called Rabbi. Music was important part of Tagore's life. He wrote poem Banful when he was just 15 years, and it was published in the magazine. And Rabindranath has keen interest in folk music of Bengal. Okay, Jan Gan Man, our national anthem, was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Sangeet, the music of Tagore, was popular. It was enjoyed by the people all over the world. Tagore wrote nearly 50 books and more than 3,000 poems. And he was awarded the Nobel Prize of Literature in 1913 in his book Gitanjali. He was also honored by English government and his honor was protest against Jallianwala Bagh mischief. Right? So Rabindranath believed that the education was the only means through which India could progress. He founded school at Santiniketan in West Bengal or Vishwa Bharati University. Tagore devoted a great deal of the time of the school and he lived there till and passed away in 1941. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.